So I decided to have this new pouch tool manufactured, and I'll try to go around here and show you what it looks like. This is a vacuum operated tool, and it was made up on a 3D printer, and it really doesn't look much different than any other pouch tool that's ever been manufactured for player pianos. However, there is one major difference between this pouch tool and all of the other ones that I've ever seen, and that is that this is the size of a regular pouch tool, and this is the size of a slightly smaller pouch tool. And you can see that this new pouch tool is enormous. It's actually for doing the pouches on the Lauter-Humana Air Motor, which uses pouches instead of bellows. And so we have the new pouch tool.